what day is today?
Saturday.
Is it Friday? Is it Monday? What day is today? Is it Tuesday? It is Sabbath day. And you know what? Sabbath is the happiest day of the week. Because mommy and daddy don't go to work, you don't go to school. If you go into school, we don't have to go to the store. All we do is relax. Go to church to be with Jesus. And then later on, probably, if it's a good weather, you can go with mommy and daddy to the park and see everything that Jesus made. So let's sing our song. Oh, it's not there? Happy time?
Is it happy day?